Welcome. If you've ever found your Telegram sticker collection getting a bit out of hand, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to remove a sticker set from your Telegram app. Let's get started and tidy up your chats. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can use any chat, just pick one, as the process works the same everywhere. Next, look at the message box at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a smiley face or emoji icon right there. Tap on it, and you'll notice several tabs at the bottom, including one for stickers. Go ahead and tap on the Stickers tab. This is where all your sticker sets live. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the sticker panel. You'll spot a small settings or gear icon. Give that a tap. This will open up your sticker settings, where you can manage all the sticker packs you've added. Scroll down through your list of sticker sets until you find the one you want to remove. Each set will have a small 3-dot icon next to it. Tap on those 3 dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, simply tap on Remove. Telegram will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the sticker set from your collection. Once you confirm, the sticker set will be gone from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a sticker set from Telegram. This quick cleanup can make your sticker panel more organized and ensure you only keep the packs you truly love. Thanks for following along. If you found these steps helpful, consider sharing this guide with friends who might need a little sticker spring cleaning. Enjoy your streamlined Telegram experience.